हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सभी। मेक श्योर यू लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. So let's start. Firstly, I'm taking a newspaper and folding it in a simple way. You can also use stick to fold it. It will become easy for you. Then color it and stick sparkle sheet on the page and stone on it. Then paste them on the cardboard. Make sure you cover the cardboard with white paper or any color you want to. Follow me as I am doing and you will find it very easy to make it. Hope you like it. So guys, आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताइएगा कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी एंड if you want any other videos related to craft, painting, drawing, etc., then please comment me. I will make it for you. Thank you.